An app you want is not available in the Hisense TV App Store. In this video, I will show you how to install apps on a Hisense TV from a USB drive. This method uses an APK file to install apps outside the official store. I will walk you through the steps and also show common problems you may face and how to fix them. Before starting the installation, first make sure your Hisense TV supports this method. Open Settings on your TV, then go to Device Preferences, then About, and then System. Here you can see which operating system your TV is using. If your TV runs A, installing apps from a USB drive usually works. If the TV runs VIDAA OS, installing APK apps from USB usually does not work. Now make sure you have the required things ready. First, you need a USB drive formatted to FAT32 so the TV can read it properly. If the TV cannot detect the USB drive or the files do not appear, the drive may not be formatted correctly. Next, download the APK file of the app you want to install. You also need a file manager app installed on your TV. The file manager is used to open the USB drive and locate the APK file. Without a file manager app, the TV will not be able to find or open the APK file stored on the USB drive. Now, download the APK file for the app you want to install on your computer. Make sure you download the Android version of that app. If the installation fails later, the APK file may be the wrong version. Once the APK file is ready, copy it to your USB drive. Insert the USB drive into your computer and copy the APK file onto it. If the file does not appear on the TV later, make sure the APK file was copied correctly to the USB drive. Next, connect the USB drive to your Hisense TV. Plug it into one of the USB ports on the TV. These ports are usually on the side or back of the TV. If the USB drive does not appear, remove it and connect it again properly. After that, allow the TV to install apps from outside the official store. Open Settings, then go to Security or Security and Restrictions and turn on Unknown Sources. On some TVs, you need to enable this permission specifically for the File Manager app. If the installation is blocked, Unknown Sources may not be enabled yet. Now, you can start the installation using the File Manager app. Open the File Manager, go to the USB drive, find the APK file, and select it to start the installation. Then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. If the APK file does not open, the File Manager may not have permission to install apps. Once the installation is complete, the app should appear in the Apps section on the TV home screen. Open the app and start using it. If the app does not appear right away, check the full apps list. That's it for this video on how to install apps on your Hisense TV from a USB drive. I hope this step-by-step guide helps you install the apps you want, even if they are not available in the TV's App Store. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Have any questions? Or did this method work for you? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.